from Honningsvag, up at the northernmost point of Norway. Now, Honningsvag is on the island of Mageroya, and it's known as the gateway to the North Cape, and that's what we're going to be doing later. But we thought we'd have a little wander around town. It's not going to take long because it's really small, but it's quite a nice little harbour, as you can see. I'm going to see if there's anything remotely interesting in Honningsvag. I'm sure we can find something. I'm on this little pontoon on the harbour. Sun's trying to get out. And here we go, look at that view into the fjord. Unfortunately not. I think the mist has rolled in. It's not bad over there. You can still see something, but yeah, it's super cloudy. So we're just having a walk through town. It's bigger than I thought, actually. Kind of lots of old traditional wooden houses interspersed with the kind of prefab stuff that just comes in sections, and they put up on site. Dead centre of Honningsvag. I think we're going to see if the church is open. I'm not hopeful. This place is like the bloody Mary Celeste. There's nobody here.
What's Saturday?
It's like something bad happened. So that was a very quick walk around Honningsvag. There's not a lot to see, but it's a nice little town actually, isn't it?
It is.
It's lovely. So we stopped for coffee and some cakes and stuff, and we're heading back to the ship, and then later on we are going to the North Cape. Now, judging by this weather, I'm not sure how much you're going to be able to see, but we're going to go anyway. So I'll bring you back when we're on the bus on the way to North Cape.
Quite a rare sighting, the street crossing that we're just passing right now. We don't have that many, and we'll only pass 3 of them here on the way to the North Cape.
So we've just arrived at Nordkapp, or at least I think we have, because we can't actually see anything. So we're looking for the globe, which I think is down here, but again, I might be wrong. Oh God, it will only see about 100 yards or something. So here we are, the northernmost point of mainland Europe. God, it's cold. And I'm right on the edge of the cliff. I wish you could see this view. In fact, I wish I could see this view as well. It's an absolute whiteout. Oh well, I suppose it's only open sea, isn't it? Right, I'm going for a cup of tea. So how often do you get the North Cape Monument to yourself? The answer, almost never. Apart from when the weather's like this. There's 2 guys there and they're doing a runner. And I think I'm going to do the same. Although I should stay really, because this never ever happens. Awesome. Right, I'm going to go and get dry after I fall down these steps. Chapel. Well, I think we'll wrap it up there. That was North Cape, but you're gonna have to take my word for it. So I think we're gonna get on the bus and head back to port, head back to Honningsvag. And yeah, it's a bit of a shame about the weather, but you kind of got to take what you're given up here. Oh, what's down here? Some ghostly figures in the mist. Now, if memory serves, these are commissioned pieces that they got some local kids to do some pictures of, which they made into these statues. It's all quite spooky on a day like this, but pretty cool. Right, now I can't even see the bus from here, but I can hear it, so let's go back this way. Okay, so that's Honningsvag in the can, so to speak, and I think it was probably a worthwhile experience going up to the North Cape, even though it was a bit grim. But yeah, that's us for today. So next port is Longyearbyen in Svalbard, which is going to be pretty special. So we'll catch you then after a couple of sea days. I'll see you later. Bye.